Hi! Today we're going to do a math activity, sorting. Sorting is important to learn. It helps us to understand when things belong together and what group they go into. So today I have a lot of toys. There's animals and cars. We're going to sort them into two groups. The animals will go in this group. The cars will go in this group. Your job is to shout out which group it's going to go into. If it's an animal, shout out animal. If it's a car, shout out car. Are you ready? Here we go. A tiger. Where does it go? Animal. Truck. Where does it go? Car pile. A giraffe. Where does it go? Animal. A lion. Where does it go? Animal. A little red car. Where does it go? In the car pile. A monster truck. Where does it go? In the car pile. Wow, we made two different groups, animals and cars. Good job sorting today. Get some of your toys out and try to sort them into different groups. Send me a picture of the groups you make. Bye.